Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible for me. Now once your content is prepared by having it visible on your screen, simply hold power key and the volume down at the same time. Or as you can see, just click them actually. Now once you click it, you get this pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. Once it disappears, you can then just simply find your screenshot and your photos application. It will show up right at the top in your photos library. You can also tap on the word like here, screenshots, and this will take you and show you all the screenshots that you have captured over some extended period of time. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.